Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna try the AUXITO LED light H11 fog light 4-hour Toyota RAV4. Come on, let's check them out. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Let's go! So let's quickly unbox this one out. I already removed the plastic. It came with plastic, so already removed that. So in the box, we have the packaging, have the manual in here. Again, these are the i9 series LED fog light. These are new design. These are mini LED fog lights. So with the specs on this one, so IP67 rating, so they will work even it's only 9 volts up to 30 volts. So these are CSP LED chips, operating temperature -40 Fahrenheit to minus and plus 176 degree Fahrenheit. Color temperature is 6500 K, which is white. I don't know why they have that golden yellow in there. Probably they sell this also in golden yellow, like 3000 K on it. Operating hours is 50,000 hours. Aviation aluminum. Again, application is for DRL and fog lights. So I think for DRL, these are going to be bright for DRLs. But fog lights, probably these are going to be awesome. So let's go with the design. So these are all in one. Basically, they have the LED controller built in to the housing in here. So it has the fan. So again, unique design. This one, according to them, it will offer a 360 illumination. And it is error-free, 99% CAN bus compatible. Again, 1:1 mini size on this one, basically same as the halogen. 2000 lumens brightness on each, so 4000 together. The design on this one, basically it's bare, as you can see, the copper and nice gasket. Again, the heat sink on this one, it is nice. I'm not really sure if there's an actual fan inside or if it's fanless. I have to double check on that. But yeah, so it has the logo on the side in there, AUXITO. I'm not sure if there's really a fan inside. But again, I'm gonna check that one out. I'm gonna update you as we go through the process. All right, so let me check it out. Okay, so quick comparison of the AUXITO i9. I have a yellow Laminex film on my fog lights. So this is the AUXITO, and the other one is the halogen. So as you can see, it is very bright. So with the halogen, because it's already amber, then I have a yellow film. Yeah, so it shows like orange. So as you can see here, yep. So if you're planning to do an LED upgrade, I would suggest that you do this. So yeah, again, these are inexpensive. I'll put the link in the description below, and you can use the discount code FG Save 12. And yep, so let's go on the road. All right, so here are the fog lights, the AUXITO i9 H11 on our RAV4. I am genuinely surprised with the performance of these bulbs. For their price, they are performing very well. Yeah, So I'll show the comparison of this lights compared to the $100 Acuma LED, and we'll check them side by side in a moment. Now I'll turn them on. I know the camera cannot really see basically the real output of this lights, but personally, for the price, yeah, I'm really happy with them. Not that I'm gonna use them for daily use, because I'm planning to put on the diode dynamics or the Baja designs on this one. So I'll be replacing my fog light soon. As you saw on my previous videos on the 4Runner, I ended up installing the Baja designs on the 4Runner that are meant to be for the RAV4, which I'm not happy on the Baja designs, which I ended up removing and installed the diode dynamics. So this one still have the factory LED housing, I'm sorry, the fog light housing. So yeah, so that's the difference. So they are performing very well. So now let's go with the side by side. So there you have it. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. You can also use my discount code FGSAVE12. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, hit that like button, and hit the notification bell. And thank you for watching.